I swear this bathroom gets hotter and hotter and hotter as summer approaches. Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shondera Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom in it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shondera Creates fam, our awesome Ohana. Make sure you thumbs up this video, you guys. And this episode of Shondera Creates, we're making this, oh, I can't even pick it up. This giant emoji bath bomb. Isn't it cute? Oh, you guys, we're gonna make it and we're gonna put it in the bathtub. Yes, we are. And I ain't getting in it. Y'all know I ain't getting in it. You know I ain't. But you can see the demo at the end of the video. Side note, do I look better with the light on? Glam? Oh, on, glam, off, on, off, on, off. So you guys, I'm gonna start rambling. I'm gonna show you how to make our epic emoji cake, because we use the cake pan, bath bomb. Make sure you subscribe and let's go. So you will need a cup and a half a cup of baking soda. And I do these for custom orders. So if you would like to order a custom one, please let me know. And now we're gonna do a cup of citric acid. We're gonna do a tablespoon of LSLSA. Why do I always say LSSA? It's such a tongue twister. So you wanna do a heaping tablespoon. So we're gonna add a quarter cup of kaolin clay. And you just want to mix this all up until it's combined. But before we mix it, you want to add your gold yellow. So I'm using a nice yellow. And then I'm going to add a yellow mica. Just to transition the colors. Because I feel like everybody has like golden yellow emojis. And then like yellow emojis. And this golden mica is like a shimmer one. So I'm using two different micas. I got to get it all out. So once you've mixed this beautiful mixture up, we're going to start by adding our oils. Our first oil we're going to be adding is Miracle Glow Oil, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. Miracle Glow Oil contains all natural 24 karat gold. It's perfect for your skin, hair, nails. So please check out Miracle Glow Oil at SavvyNaturalista.com. It has all natural 24 karat gold in it. And I'm going to be using about 50 drops of it. So you know I gotta spice this up. So to that we're gonna add our fragrance oil. So I'm gonna use about half a tablespoon of fragrance oil because this is a big cake. So I'm using about a half a tablespoon of fragrance oil. To that I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of hemp seed oil. So we're gonna use a dry oil this time. So now that it's all mixed up, side note, it looks a hueish green, doesn't it? I think that's because of the hemp seed oil. But what I think I'm gonna do is, well, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. And now we're gonna use Agua de Rosas, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. This is my toner of choice. So we're gonna set this to the side and we're going to get our hearts out of our mold. So I'm going to show you, this is the mold I did use. I should have got a wider heart, but this was all they had. So I'm kind of worried they really won't look like the heart eyes on the emoji cake, this bath bomb. But you know what? We'll see. So let's take one heart out. I want to take one out to make sure they're all perfect because this one is so deep that sometimes they don't come out perfect. But look at, we got a perfect one, so I'm really excited about that. So excited. Oh my God, I'm having a good bath bomb day. You know, sometimes you be having bad bath bomb days. Like, I'm doing an experiment for a cheesecake bath bomb recipe. And sometimes they just come out horrible. So, you know, you got to go back to the drawing board sometimes. So, now that we have that together, now what we're going to do is add our heart eyes. Now, you may be wondering, well, what about the mouth? There ain't no mold for the mouth, so we ain't gonna do it. So I mean, we are gonna do it, but I'm gonna show you guys. So essentially this past side note is so small, like the depth of it is so so small, so it's making the heart eyes look really big. So I'm like, should I cut them? And I'm gonna use the most perfect ones. So I think what I'm gonna do is like put them a little bit like, you know, the emoji. And now we're just gonna mix this mixture up. So I'm gonna soak, it's been really dry here lately in the desert. So I'm gonna soak this to completion. So, you know, this stuff got to get soaked. So, as I said, I'm using Aqua de Rosas, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. And I'm just going to soak this. I'm going to make it really, really wet. Okay, so now that it's mixed in, now we're going to add it. I really think these hearts, for some odd reason in my head, I think these hearts are not perfect enough. But you know what? The show must go on, as they say. I'm probably gonna need more of the bath bomb mixture, as I could tell, because these hearts are like freaking huge. Like the hearts are huge, you guys. Like really huge. So we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna pat this down and pat it really well till we get there. Okay, so this is the cake. It finally got done. So I'm kind of concerned about it because I had to add more bath bomb mixture, and I just used the same mixture that I normally use. So boy, we are going to see about this emoji cake. So what I'm going to do is let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes because I don't want it to fully dry in this pan because I'm scared it won't come out. So I just want it to dry to the point where it's still a little bit wet, and then we're going to let it sit to the side. So I'm just going to clean this area up because it looks a hot mess, and then we'll be back to emote this baby. I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time because if it cracks, we still gonna roll with it, okay? So, woo! And it's really dry here, so most of my bath bombs are cracking anyway, and I have to use more and more Aqua de Rosas than I normally use, especially for my custom orders. So I let it set for a while. I'm really nervous, but we're going to emote it, and then we're gonna do the face. So here we go. You guys see it? Now, oh wow, look at the back. Oh my God, this is so perfect. So now all I have to do is the face. Side note, it's a little denty, so it's slant, so it goes like this. This instead of flat, it goes like this. So it's a slanted emoji cake. But look it. Now we're gonna do the face. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do the face. I cut out an emoji face, so it pretty much mimics the emoji heart that I'm trying to go for. It's a big smile. So what I'm gonna do is take this paint sponge brush, wet it with a little alcohol. So let's just wet it. Can y'all see me wetting it? Look at like I'm literally wetting it. Bam. And then like tap. So then we're gonna just like dab the bath bomb. And side note, like alcohol doesn't make the bath bomb fizz too much, so you're pretty much okay. So now we're going to like dip it in the activated charcoal, this black stuff, and then pray for a miracle. So we're gonna do this for the whole thing till we get our smiley face. I should have taped it so it doesn't move, but you know what? We're gonna work it in, y'all. We gonna work it in. We gonna work. When we see me, that's my jam. So now that we have it all in the little mold / paper cut I print out, we're going to reveal it. So this is what it looks like. It's crooked, y'all. Oh my God, it's so crooked. Look what it looks like. But this is a real bath bomb. Yes, it is. It's just a little crooked. Okay, here we go.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. God, I've never loved one like you. And oh my, you're my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Home, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
Oh my God, look at it, you guys. Isn't this epic? The smile has totally went away. Look at those colors. Aren't those colors amazing? Oh my God. Now, of course, it's time for the epic toe dip, because you know I got to dip my toe in it. And I turned the light off because I thought it looked better. So the toe is officially in. Look at my toe. Don't be hating on my ugly feet. If you dislike this video because of my toe, you a hater. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next episode. Bye. Ah, where's the bathroom? Oh my God, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Bye.